All right, so I know this is that's a little dark, so I'm going to try to, I don't know how to make this light a little bit lighter, but hopefully you can see it all. I'm going to do a quick little mini lesson over multiplication in general as far as basic math facts. I know a lot of students are struggling with the idea of multiplication and why 7 times 3, for example, is 21. And so I'm just going to show you that process of why it is that product. This shouldn't be too long of a video. And then you can always go to factmonster.com and practice these multiplication facts. It's a great resource. There's also different levels on there that you can choose as far as the level of difficulty goes. So we're just going to go ahead and take my example, which I said was 7 times 3. So if I have a product or an equation or a multiplication problem like 7 times 3, I need to find the product. We call the answer to a multiplication problem a product. So the reason that the answer is 21, number one, I know that because I've just learned it over the years, but I'm going to show you why. So basically what this number sentence is saying is that I'm adding 7, or I'm multiplying 7 times 3. So that means I can add 7 3 times, or I can add 3 7 times, or I can draw it out and make a picture model. So if I were to add 7 plus 7 plus 7 3 times, 7 and 7 is 14. If I were to count up, starting with 14 to add 7 more, and I'll do that for you, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I've added 7 more fingers, and I got to my answer of 21. Okay, so that's one way of looking at it. Then there's another way. I can add 3 7 times. Okay, so if I add 3 7 times, let me scoot that up, sorry. 3 and 3 is 9, plus 3 more is 12. 13, 14, 15, so 3 more is 15. 16, 17, 18, that's plus 3 more, and then plus 3 more would be 21. So I can either add 7 3 times or add 3 7 times. If I were to do a picture model of this, there are also two ways that I can do this. Imagine that you have 7 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7 cookies. Okay. If I were to put 3 sprinkles on these 7 cookies, how many sprinkles would I have in all? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. If I were to count up all of these sprinkles, it would equal 21. And here's how I would know. I can just simply count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, so that's basically the 3 ways that I can show, or the reason behind why 7 times 3 is 21. Now I can also make this more simple and only do 3 cookies. Or let's make them squares. If I did 3 squares and I put 7 dots in each square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know they're tiny, just kind of go with it. But if I did that, this picture right here is a model of 7 plus 7 plus 7. So I already know that my answer is going to be 21. But simply put, I can count all of these dots in each 3 squares and I'll get 21 dots. So that is the reason behind the multiplication facts. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways to solve this multiplication fact. Also, 7 times 3 is the same as 3 times 7. No matter what way you do it, you're still going to get 21. Okay? So, like I said, a good reference for simple math facts would be factmonster.com. Excuse me. I will include that in the email, in an email if you would like. Just reach out to me and let me know, and I can send you that link. And then there are levels that you can choose as far as the level of difficulty to practice those multiplication facts with your child, or if you're the student watching this, then you can practice those math facts on FactMonster. A lot of my students already know what that is, so it's easy to navigate. They already know what to do. If you are in a different math class, then and you've never heard of FactMonster, it's a great resource. And like I said, if your parents need that resource, or you, the parent, are watching this, then just reach out to me. My email is on the school website, and I can get that link to you. But like I said, it's very easy to navigate. So I hope this helps understand the process of why we have the product of 21, or why when we multiply we get a certain product. So I hope this helps.